Hi, so today I want to share with you my experience in the craft class. The craft is pronounced like 5-minute craft, but yeah. So in my day in my elementary school, we have a class called the craft class, and in this class we usually took a A4 frame piece of paper and turn it into the animal or the object that the teacher or the book guide us to do. So two of my favorite object is the fan and the frog. And this frog is very important because it's give me a lesson about utilizing the most precious resource in my eye, that is the paper. So in the day that we have to create this frog, we only need a square frame of paper, like the origami, and create this frog. But the rest of them, I sit in that class and I create two smaller frog and two smaller less one, and create a family of 5 frogs with just one piece of paper. And after that, I look around the class and I see that everyone just use one piece of paper and create just one frog, and the leftovers is so wasteful. And at the end of the class, I ask people to give me those leftover paper, and they give it to me. And I utilize that to create a box full of family of frog. Let's just say that. Yeah, it taught me a lesson about paper is very important. It is a resource that I want to utilize to the fullest, because until this day, when people have this paper that they don't use anymore, I ask for them and create the art on them, create art on it to share with you guys, and practice my drawing poses, head or everything. Yeah, so we have our own say goes, another man trash is another man treasure. So you guys might be asking that, what is this? The first episode, you share with us about the project you drew TV from the carton box, and now you will share with us about the fan and the frog that you fold. What is this? A DIY channel or a drawing channel? Well, it's just my creative journey about lesson I learned through all my life and to this point of this. Yeah, and yeah, so if you guys have an experience with something you learn to the journey of creating creative things, share it down below. And that is for today. Hope you have a productive day. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye now.